Today I am making Southern homemade buttermilk biscuits, and the ingredients you'll need is self-rising flour, eggs, buttermilk, butter, and Crisco. The first step is to set the oven on bake for 400 degrees because you want it to be at 400 degrees when you put it in the oven. Alright, now you need 2 cups of self-rising flour. Next step is to put in a large spoonful of Crisco. Alright, now you need to get out a half a stick of butter and make sure it's cold. And you need to cut it up into small pieces. Now you need to mix in the Crisco and the butter, and really important is you have to get the butter, and you gotta squeeze it, and that'll really help get the layers in the biscuits later on. Alright, so when you're done, it should be a sort of play sand texture. This should take a while, so it's not going to be right away. Now you're going to get your wet ingredients together. So 1 egg, and mix it or beat it. 2 1/4 of a cup of buttermilk. Then you need to mix it. Pour it in and mix it up. If the mixture is too wet, then you should add flour, but if it's too dry, you should add more buttermilk. Just a little bit though. Alright, now you need to flour your hands so the dough doesn't stick to your hands. And you're going to spread flour out onto your table so it doesn't stick to the table. Get it all into one ball in your pan. Pour it out. Fold the dough in and get it to a nice ball. And when you get it done, you want to have nice same size all around, so you get all of your biscuits the same size. Now you want to pat it out. Make sure you get the same size all around for nice even biscuits. It's very important that you don't work the dough too much because you don't want to have too tough of biscuits. And once you cut them out with the biscuit cutter, you want to flour it and then push in, but don't twist as little as possible, and pop it out. And you can put it on a silicone mat, or if you don't have one, you can just use parchment paper. If you don't have biscuit cutters, you can also use a glass. Make sure to flour that too. Want to cook them for 10 to 14 minutes, and make sure to check them after 10 minutes to see if they're golden brown. These biscuits took 11 minutes to bake. Now you're ready to eat.